Good morning, you all. Today we're going to talk about the placement things has on an advertisement. When I say placement, I mean the parts of the advertisement. Like this screen, for example. This is my right side. But probably you're looking at that and you're thinking this is the left side. This is the top. This is the top. This is the bottom of the screen. And the other one, that one, is the left side for me and probably is the right for you because you're watching that from the front. So, what we're going to do is first have our notebook and start writing what I'm going to show you on your screen. Thank you very much. Please, let's begin. So, the first thing that we were going to do is to write today's date. Let's write it. In this case, I am writing Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. If you're writing this in a different day, please write it accordingly. Si lo estás escribiendo en un día diferente, escríbelo correctamente. Okay, after that, we are going to do a square. Square. Here we go. Let's draw that. We are drawing a square. Estamos dibujando un cuadrado. In this case, it's a rectangle. Rectangle. And we are doing that because we are going to use it as a reference. Vamos a utilizarlo como referencia, así que lo dibujamos. Los espero. Pongan el video en pausa si se van a tardar mucho. Please pause the video if you're going to take a little bit more time than you anticipated. Please put it in pause. Thank you. Now, children, here we go. We want to know how we are going to call the parts in an advertisement, the placement. How do we call this side, this side, this side, this one here, and even the part in the center of the square. So, the first part, top, top. So we're calling that top. Top is that part. Okay? Here we go. Now the next one. Bottom. That is the bottom of the advertisement or a thing. Bottom. Now what about this side or this side? What are the names? Well, this one is left. The other one is right. Top, bottom, left, left and right is because I am the other way. Okay, so top, left, bottom, right. Of course you know how to say that in Spanish. Top, tope, arriba. Bottom, la parte de abajo. Left, izquierda. Right, derecha. Sometimes we find just an L or an R. For example, in our earphones. Algunas veces encontramos las letras L o R en algunos sitios. Por ejemplo, nuestros audífonos tienen una L o tienen una R para decirnos en qué oreja debe de ir. Well, but what about the part in the center? Well, that is called middle, middle, and medio. We know that word from many, many years back. Sabemos esa palabra desde hace muchos, muchos años. Why do we know that? ¿Por qué la sabemos? Well, there's a little TV show that always plays in the afternoon, almost evening, and it's called Malcolm in the Middle. Malcolm, el del medio, es un programa de televisión que ha estado circulando desde hace muchísimos años y entonces siempre vemos Malcolm, el del medio, y siempre vemos la palabra middle, así que esa nos podemos acordar siempre de ella, podemos referenciarla. Muy bien, so top, left, right, bottom, middle. Esas son las partes en las cuales vamos a encontrar o las partes que debemos de referenciar en un momento en un anuncio. Por ejemplo, ahí donde puse la X, ¿qué sería? sería top left because it's in this side. Okay? It's in this place. That is why it's top left. What if it's here? Well, it will be bottom right. Normalmente se dice primero arriba, a la parte superior o la parte inferior, y luego se da de referencia si es en la izquierda o en la derecha. We normally do that. We normally say top right, top left, bottom right. Normally we do that. Normalmente eso es lo que se hace. So, now that you have take notes of this, let's go to the book. Ahora que ya tomaron las notas sobre esto, vayamos a nuestro libro. Vayamos a nuestras imágenes. Let's go to the pictures, to the pages. So, I'm going to move to the bottom because here I have something for you. We are going to use these three parts. Vamos a utilizar estas tres partes. The first one is a written text. It says, this text says, fashionable clothes and accessories for dogs and cats. Fashionable clothes and accessories for dogs and cats. Here, look. Here we have a picture. Can you see it? I'm going to show you better. Okay, look what it says here. In this blue color, it says clothes. Nice. Okay. And what about this? Hey, look, here we have some cats. They are puppies of cats, so they are called kittens. Now you should know what you're going to do, okay? Ahora ya deben de saber lo que van a poner. Estos los van a acomodar en los espacios en blanco. Les voy a dar un poco de tiempo. Ustedes no tienen el recorte todavía, o no lo tienen, mejor dicho. Así que lo que van a hacer es dibujarlos, pero tengan en consideración lo que son, ¿ok? Vamos a hacerlo. Here we go. We have the first one here. Claus. Okay. Belgian Malinois puppy, male, 11 months old, answered to the name of Claus. Here we have the name. Here is the name. Now the next one. The kittens. Mother gray tabby, father black and white, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and here we have that. And finally, the text. Fashionable clothes and accessories for dogs and cats. If we had that in paper, probably you will be cutting and pasting. But because we are at distance, we need to write it. Si estuviésemos presentes en vivo, tendrían algo para recortar y pegar. Dado que ahorita estamos a distancia, pues lo van a escribir. Very good. That's what we have here. I opened these pictures because I wanted to show you something before we can continue. In this case, we have the brand, the name of the product, Farmacias del Ahorro. That is a pharmacy, a drugstore. And they have something that it's called a slogan. A slogan is a phrase that identifies the brand, that it helps to make it more present for the clients. El eslogan es una frase que se utiliza para que tenga más presencia con los clientes la marca, en este caso la farmacia. Casi siempre cuando escuchamos Farmacias del Ahorro, inmediatamente cantamos el jingle que es su eslogan. Te queremos bien. That is the slogan for that. Igual que ese hay muchos slogans más, por ejemplo, Sabritas, las papas, a que no puedes comer solo una. Esa frase que identifica el producto se le llama slogan. That phrase that identifies the product is going to be called slogan. Slogan. So, let's see another example of this. Julio regalado, siempre. This is in Spanish, of course. En Soriana. Ellos normalmente tienen un slogan que es aprecio por ti, pero últimamente han estado utilizando este. Somos familia con México. They are doing that. Particularly these past months in July when this character was introduced, Julio Regalado. Now, these are not the only brands with the slogans. Estas no son las únicas marcas con eslogan. There are plenty of them. Let's take a look on this. These are in Spanish, but they use this one in English. You don't know, or you know, what is this? ¿Sabes lo que es esta letra? Una M. Por supuesto que lo sabes. McDonald's. Y la frase que los identifica en español es me encanta. En inglés es I love it, loving it, if I can remember correctly. Ahorita lo vamos a poner. Walmart. Precios bajos todos los días, siempre. You're going to find that. Low prices every day, always. Liverpool, this is a Mexican chain. Esta es una cadena mexicana. Es parte de mi vida. It's part of my life. Of course, we don't have that in English because they don't not have a presence in English speaking countries. And this one is one that you know. Nike. Just do it. Esta sí está en inglés. Esta la conocemos todos. Estos son llamados slogans. Y aquí tenemos el slogan de McDonald's in English. It says, I'm loving it. Estoy amándolo. Very good. Always low prices. Always. That is the slogan for them. They have some more. Save money, live better. Good. So now what I want you to do is to do a match here. Add one is using what? A picture, photo, slogan. And where it is located. Okay? You're going to do the match between the three columns. Van a hacer el match entre las tres columnas. De aquí a uno de los del medio y luego acá alguno. Recuerden lo que acabamos de ver. Nuestra guía para identificar dónde deben de ir. So, pause the video so you can give me the answers. Pongan el video en pausa para que me puedan dar las respuestas. Here we go. Pause. A few seconds have passed. Now we're going to watch the answers. Okay, I am pausing, unpausing the video. Estoy quitándole la pausa al video. So let's go and take a look at the answers. Add one is using a picture. Está usando un dibujo, una imagen en forma de dibujo, a picture. ¿Dónde está? Está en la parte de abajo. Aquí en realidad no se ve muy claramente si está en la izquierda o en la derecha, así que podemos utilizar alguno de los dos. In this case, I am going to use on the bottom right, en la parte de abajo a la derecha, even when it's actually in the center. Now the second one. Let's do the second one. The second one says, add number 2, the one of the dog, is using what? Is using a photo. A photo, and the photo is located on the top left. Es una foto localizada en el tope o en la parte de arriba a la izquierda. That's it. Now the last one. The last one. Add number 3 is using a slogan, and the slogan is in the middle of the advertisement. Aquí lo tenemos. Aquí está nuestro eslogan, tal vez no lo entiendes, pero aquí dice nuestro eslogan. Dice así: Fashionable clothes and accessories for dogs and cats. Ropa a la moda y accesorios para gatos y perros. Collares, suéteres, vestidos, botas y sombreros. Todo lo que necesitas para hacer de tu gato o perro una mascota con estilo. Eso es. Pasillo D. Está número 32, 10% de descuento mostrando este volante. Eso es lo que dice ahí. Very good. The last exercise for today is quite simple. El último ejercicio es muy sencillo. You're going to write the letters A, B, C, D, de acuerdo a lo que está aquí indicado en la siguiente página, que es la 83, donde vienen unas frases y tú vas a colocar a dónde corresponden. Vamos a poner el video en pausa para dar las respuestas. Let's pause the video. Please write them down. Here we are at the pause. Now let's go and show the answers. Letter A, welcome to the market. Letter A. Letter B, best shoes in the world. There you go, letter B. Letter C, no cell phone. There you go, no cell phone. It's over there. And the last one, of course, is letter D, recycle. That's all for today. Es todo por hoy. Espero que lo hayan disfrutado. Espero verlos aquí próximamente. Cuídense mucho. Cuiden a sus papás. Bye bye.